more quick video. This was a heat shield. I probably have some video of it on the GoPro, but this is a heat shield that goes on the chassis above the Cat. I bought this one used. Mine actually had it. It was just rusted through. And I just wanted to note this ring right here. You can see it on both sides decently well. Maybe zoom in just a bit there. And you can see that ring. So this ring is where I put it in the Evaporust, and I stood it up. I stood it up, you know, in the Evaporust, in a 5-gallon pail of Evaporust like that, and it just wasn't quite enough to cover that top piece. And I was really just testing to see what it looked like, and it did a really good job because it was pretty rough looking, but not nearly as rusted as what came off the car. You know, you can see where the Evaporust really cleaned it up, made it look quite nice. There's a little bit of maybe galvanization or something there that's a little white residue, but overall I'm really you know, quite pleased with it. I'll throw it back in the Evaporust the other direction so that I get rid of that ring, but looks really good. So it turns out I didn't have video of the before pictures of the heat shield. So here's a couple of pictures when I bought it. It did go into the parts washer and then the Evaporust and then back into the parts washer. So it had been cleaned several times since, but again, it had that pitting and kind of rust to it. So certainly cleaned up better than I expected. Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the Rusty Barnacle, Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.